Hi everyone! Tara na't maki-party. We are here today at Sip and Grill Cafe located at Pasig City Branch for the kick-off party 2026 of Baby and Mom's PH Plus Connect and Inspire Community. At syempre, bago ko umpisahan, gusto ko munang mag-shoutout because without these participating and generous brands, hindi makakompleto ang event na ito. Such as Mambini, Create Salon Ortigas, Clean Fant, Bean Love, Blooms, Protect Philippines, Pidya Pharma, Health Fusion, Chummy Baby, One Bite, Big Berta, Cotton Yings, Tiny Buds, and Nachitos. The whole event was hosted by Mommy A at Kumaring Amor. May raffles, games, at lahat pwedeng sumali. Kaya naman ang dami kong nakilala na content creators na mommies na kagaya ko. At ito nga, pagdating naman sa mga food choices dito sa venue, ay ang dami naman namin pagpipilian. At yes, lahat yan natikman namin. Pero kung may maire-recommend man ako pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Sip and Grill Cafe, ay itong spaghetti with meatballs. At pagkatapos nga naming mabusog, ay dinistribute na yung PR kit. At alam nyo ba, kasama namin mismo sa event ang Pidya Pharma Silorates na participating brand. Napaka-effort nila, kaya I highly suggest na i-visit nyo yung kanilang shop. At syempre, i-try nyo na rin yung products nila. And after the event, hindi mo na kami umuwi because as I've said, maraming mommy content creators dito na pwede nyo pong makausap at maging kaibigan. After the event, na marami kaming natutunan. Pupuntang kinakabahan at uuwing ganito kasaya. Special thanks to the admins and mods of Baby and Mom's PH and Connect and Inspire. At sana may next event ulit with participating generous and loving brands. Till next event, thank you for watching!